we have Ben sweeping this car park, which is full of fucking snow.
Yep, welcome to the show, lad.
Bro, right, hang on, let me show you that garden, right? So that's the front car park. Man, right, we're trying to get most of it up. But look at the outside garden. Also, I have an idea. Trap mob. Look guys, there's snow. Where's Ben? Where is Ben, ladies and gentlemen? But yeah, let's just follow behind Ben. Let's just stalk him with the yard. Hey guys, you know what, Ben? Let's have a quick look. Holy fuck!
Yeah, I see that from the hill.
Lads. Right, we're now on Ben's phone because my phone's gone on a wobbler and started playing up. So
no, you just don't charge it.
I know I don't. That requires effort, Ben, to actually get up and keep my phone on charge all night. Thing is, the battery's also only holds like the battery capacity on it's only 70%. So it charges 100, but it has 7% life in it. So it didn't have the full 100%.
Holding the phone down again.
Oh, come in then. Do shit.
Come on, focus on the phone. Remember I caught you in YouTube class.
YouTube for Dummies 101.
YouTube Dummies 101.
Hey Ben, I want to quickly go and
Oh, yeah.
holy fucking there's like mountains up here. Welcome to Winter Wonderland! Jesus! Fuck me! Right, guys. Hang on. God damn it! Holy fuck, it is bad up here. Look guys, look at the grass. Shit! Fuck me! Ass! I just can't breathe with you guys. However, there's only one thing left to do now. Do you reckon that this man can slide down a fucking hill? Probably not. Woo! Oh shit! Ah fuck! Fuck! Ah! Ah! Still me. Still fucking me.
Hey, hey! You keep putting the
Anyways.
phone down every second!
I got, whoa! That was Ben's phone, you twat. Well, ladies and gentlemen. Well, ladies and gentlemen. Fuck. My glasses. It's alright, guys.
Yeah.
Really?
Anyways, guys, this has been our first little bit of video. We're going to do loads of footage of the snow. So it's been our first little bit. Fuck! That's fine, you can try. Because guess what? Because guess what? Bitch, don't miss! Oh, man. Hello! Fuck yourself.
Why? Why do you do that?
Because why the fuck up, man?
What the fuck is that? Is that trash?
Whoa.
Oh, it might be a rat trap actually. Yeah, I think we just fucked with a rat trap.
Oh, fuck off, guys. No one gives a fuck about their life.
Jesus Christ, look at it.
Kill the rats, man. Rats are friends.
Yeah,
Rats are
but
friends, not food. We've got fish.
says the one that you know, could bring in diseases. Because rats are the ones that actually brought in diseases. I mean, I like rats and mice, but yeah. You can't, I can barely see you. I can barely see you. My God, look at it. What have you found?
Roof rat.
A what? A roof rat.
No.
Oh, a piece of wood.
With nails on it. So, just walk up to someone and go.
Like a clicker, you mean? Like a clicker. Oh yeah, tell the viewers what you were saying to me earlier.
Basically, right, I was going to watch last month episode 7 and 8 today,
Yeah.
which is Left Behind, which is DLC, which has some winter bits because you play as Ellie through the wind section and her past. They kind of split the two, as in like, yeah, one DLC is Sith, and then it was going to be episode 8, but anybody knows is with David, which is basically the winter section of The Last of Us. But don't need to fucking watch it, because it looks like we're fucking in it right now. There's a fucking stalker and clicker can run out there, and I'm fucking armed ready. Shit, what the fuck's
You did just throw it.
Oh no,
Oh, it's right there.
shit, no, nothing.
Jesus. Careful with yourself, man. Really? What are you doing? Trying to draw a giant penis? Is that what you're trying to do?
I wasn't going to, but I thought about it.
Is that a love heart?
You know what? I'm so glad. It looks like a fucking rocket from Space Invaders.
No, that does not look like a fucking rocket.
No,
I mean, this is a heart, but yeah. Fuck that pussy! Pussy yo!
Bit like you then, yeah?
Hey?
It's a bit like you then, yeah? Pussy.
Oh, mob! Nice! You're drawing the mob! Nice! That's sick! I love that. That's so cool. Oh, you should have drawn a penis on the top of it.
Ben, you little dick. You don't know after. There we go. Love mob. Whoa, fuck.
From here, it looks like a penis.
Hey, dog.
that bit here, it looks like the tip. I mean, now that looks like a penis. Look at it. An upside down penis. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, for fuck's sake, Owain.
Whoever said I can't, it was probably funny, man.
Look at the snow, though. Oh, you dick. I felt that. Throwing a fucking snowball at me, you dick.
It is, Ben. It is a beautiful thing. I very rarely miss. Oh, go on, actually, Ben, I want to think. Go on.
You're going to do it like a tennis racket?
Go on.
I actually missed while I was doing that shot. Did I actually get you? Jesus.
I want this to work. Dude, I put this small guy here.
I think I just destroyed the penis. No. Yes, I did. You killed Kenny, you bastard!